Hi, I'm Bill Link, and I've got a question for you. If you could have just one saw for all of your woodworking and home improvement projects, which saw would you choose? Would it be a miter saw or a table saw? Maybe a circular saw? Those are all great choices. Those saws are great at what they do. But if I could only have one, it would have to be a jigsaw. And the reason I would choose the jigsaw is because it's so incredibly versatile. You can make all kinds of cuts with it. Straight cuts, curved cuts, even intricate scrolling cuts. And you can cut all kinds of material. Wood, of course, but also metals, plastics, even leather. Now, the reason the jigsaw is so versatile has a lot to do with the huge selection of blades that are available for the jigsaw. No matter what you want to cut or how you want to cut it, there's probably a blade that's perfect for it. So what I want to do is take a few minutes and show you some of the most basic cuts with a jigsaw. And I'll tell you a little bit about each blade and why it's perfect for that type of cut. So let's start with the basics, just a straight cut in this 2x4. And for that I'm going to use this really aggressive, fast-cutting wood blade. It has very large teeth, a lot of space in between the teeth to clear out all that waste. So to mount this in the saw, I just need to lift up on the toolless blade change cover and slide the blade into the plunger. As soon as I release that cover, it's locked into place. Now, just a couple other things I want to do to set up the saw for this cut. The first one is I'm going to set the orbit cutting action to fast. Now, what that means is, in addition to going up and down, that blade is actually going to sort of plunge forward into the cut with each upstroke. It'll just cut a little faster that way. It's going to create a lot of sawdust, so I'm going to turn the blower on so it keeps all that sawdust out of my way and I can actually see the cutting line. All right, that's going to do it. I'm ready to make this cut.
The built-in laser guide on this skill jigsaw helps you line up and maintain a straight cut, and the speed square brings an extra measure of control. To make a bevel cut, first adjust the shoe to the desired bevel angle and lock it firmly in place. Now, because the saw is tilted, there may not be enough clearance to use an edge guide or a speed square like I did for the straight cut, which makes the built-in laser guide all the more valuable. The laser, along with a firm two-handed grip and a steady eye, will yield great results.